This 2005 microwave has got to go. It's starting to fall apart, so let's stick a new one in. So this is the old microwave. The glass is like pushed in on it. So I'd say it's getting to the unsafe point. Definitely need an upgrade. So this unit from Gasland Chef has the adapter. So we can put us a vent in, and you can see all the accessories it comes with here. This unit comes with your rear wall and top cabinet mounting templates, filters for underneath. It also has a damper, so you can run an exhaust port out, your turntable, mounting hardware, some really nice quality manuals. And then this unit is also capable of holding a metal shelf that's specially designed not to arc out or anything. If you're replacing a microwave, you're going to want to go up here, unplug your old one, locate your bolts. If you're doing a new one, make sure you have a power outlet over in your cabinets. And then whenever you do a vent, if you choose to go that option, you're going to have to blow a hole through this, go up into your attic, and vent it out however your local code says. Now that we have our old microwave out, we can come over to the new one, and we'll take off the mounting bracket. For the next part, we want to put our rear bracket on the wall, and we're going to use the rear wall template to do that. You can either trim this out like that and try to stick this on the wall. Personally, I prefer to just measure down. The measurement is going to be the very bottom of the microwave to the very top of the microwave at this line. That measurement is 16 3/8 exactly. We come over to our microwave and hook on the bottom. You see we have the exact same number. Make sure you account for any face trim you have, because the microwave is going to sit against this, and you'll have a filler block to go in this gap. Now you can line up on your marks and use the provided lag screw. You can make sure your bracket is level, and of course make sure you're in a stud before you screw this in. Now we're to the top cabinet template. So what I would do is go ahead and punch a hole in the center of that, and then do the same thing on B, and then on that as well. And then you can match your diameter of your hole saw. And then if you're doing a vent, you'll need that here if it's vertical. Now that we have our mounting ready and our holes drilled, we're going to set the venting up. They ship by default on recirculate mode, so that would just blow the air back through here. You can see the fans are blowing this way, and it will come out. So I'm doing vertical, so I'm gonna open this up and rotate it so it will blow out. Now on the back of the microwave, there's a screw here. Now we can lift the blower out and rotate it so that we're blowing upward. Then we can reattach our blower motor screw right there, put the cover back on, and we're good to go. Now we can install the damper. So you're going to want it opening towards the front. You're going to slide it into the side, making sure you're catching that back and front clip. Now we're almost ready to mount. I've got my vent cut out, my bolt holes, and my power plug. You're gonna need 2 filler blocks that are equal to the depth of your cabinet facing. Mine happens to be the same as the bottom plate of the cabinet where I cut out the vent. So I've got my holes there for the filler block. Now we can mount it. Now for the fun part, probably gonna want 2 people for this part. Set your microwave up. Go ahead and route your power cable in. tighten these down. There's a new microwave now. Now the exciting part, we can plug it in. Now down underneath the bottom side, you want to put your filters in. You just push them to the back, slide them forward. Now to set the time on this, you're going to hit user preference and then put the time in and then push start. Let's test out our fan. You can see our damper closes, so then we'll just install a boot around this with a tube going up, and I'll have to build a chase to go through the ceiling into the attic and vent it outside. Now for everybody's favorite part, let's use the add 30 seconds. And our shrimp is nice and steamy. So after using this microwave for a little bit now, I found one of my favorite features to be that Express doesn't just start, because sometimes I want to push like 20 seconds, so I can do that. Or if you push 2 and just let it sit, it starts your Express. That's something I have not seen on any other microwave. It also has a 2-stage light. And we have a large family, so being able to heat multiple plates at the same time is a game changer. It literally cuts heating up leftovers in half. If you enjoyed this video and want to know where you can get one of these Gasland microwaves, just click the link in the description down below and you'll be able to find one. Go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.